Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1966 C10 Fleetside short box. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. What are we doing today?
Good.
Man, what a pretty truck. So
yeah,
you tore it right down, right off the frame, huh?
Yeah, a lot of work. Me and my four boys built the truck, and you know, it's just been sitting in the garage now, so it's sad to get rid of it, but it's an excellent truck. It's got about 150 miles on a rebuild.
That's it.
Everything's new, completely disc brakes, front end.
Disc brakes all the way around? Or
No, just in the front.
Okay.
Drum brakes in the rear, CPP trailing arms, all new bumpers, bushings, cab supports, everything is new. You know, we didn't go cheat out on anything. It's all there, you know.
You got oak in the bed, right?
Yep.
Super straight body. How was the metal when you started?
Not bad. I actually have, I think the corner cabs on each side had a little bit. The doors are original.
Wow.
It had a teeny bit of a couple little dings along the side, but no rot, not much rot.
Wow. It was an old farm truck, right?
Yes, an old farm truck, yep.
Cool.
Oh yeah, an old farm truck, and new bumpers, new chrome grille.
So pretty.
And the exhaust was done by United Exhaust with flow masters out the back.
Sounds great. What color is the paint? What's it from?
It's a, I don't even remember the color. It's a flip-flop paint though. It's very expensive, but it's in the sun it looks like a root beer color.
Yeah, it's cool.
And then in the shade it's like a maroon. You know.
Really pretty. It's got a little bit of metallic in it.
Yep.
And the rally wheels.
Yep. All new tires. New trim rings.
Great job. Nice big lofty bench seat, wood wheel.
All the gauges work, all the original gauges.
Gorgeous.
New carpet.
Yeah. Seats done. 81,666 miles.
Right, that's the
It's
original
right?
on the truck.
You bought it from the original owner?
No, I bought it from the
second owner.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Got a Kenwood Stereo.
Yep, I lowered it down there because I didn't want to cut up the dash, of course.
Yeah, of course. You got those are 6 inches in the kick panel?
Yes. Yep.
All new visors. Wow. So pretty.
It's a solid truck. You know, the doors are all original, like I said.
Let's check out under the hood.
Sure.
Goodrich 350?
Yes, 350. It's got about 150 miles on it. Everything's new, from the carburetor to the alternator to the water pump.
All the hoses, fittings.
Yes, just the only thing that's original is the power steering pump. Other than that, everything else is new underneath the hood.
Wires, everything.
Radiator.
Holly Carburetor. Is that a 650?
Yeah, it's a 600.
600. Okay.
Yep.
Power steering, power brakes.
Yep, power steering, power brakes.
Again, he's got disc up front.
Yep.
And everything works except for the squirter.
The only thing don't work is the squirter, because I was too lazy to get in there and hook it up. One of the hoses are right there. I have all the little
fittings and all that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. I also have the original motor to the truck too, but
Okay.
that's that was
283?
283, and that had 81,000. It ran great,
Yeah, sure.
but I you know,
A little more juice out of the 350.
I want a little more beef,
Yeah.
you know.
Let's fire it up.
Sure.
Sounds great. 3 on the tree, right?
Yep, 3 on the tree.
Sounds good. Rev it a little. Nice. Flowmaster, right?
Yes.
And she's new under here. Doesn't get any newer, huh?
No.
It is awesome.
Yeah, how do you ever drive it?
Love it. We have restoration photos too, guys, you can check out. See, the underneath is just as nice as the top. Absolutely awesome. sounds so good. Love the Fleetside.
It's got,
So
got a nice rumble to it, I like.
Great stance too.
Yeah. Like I said, it runs 100%. It's got plenty of power.
Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. And talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.